Welcome to CFPP. Follow us so you can see what it's like inside on a daily basis.
Okay, when you guys come in, just sign in the tablet. Any information about vehicles or vehicle locations, they're gonna help you out right here. Once you're done, we have free water provided for you guys, just in case of the heat.
And as soon as you walk in on your right-hand side, you're going to see different size used tires that you can choose from. If you're looking for a set of wheels, feel free to check out our used car lot. You like it?
Yeah, man, I just might buy it, bro. Damn. So when you come in, you have a wide variety of vehicles that you can choose your parts from. If you try and junk your car, call this number and our team will give you a free quote. And that's it for today, guys. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.